Thanks for listening to today's episode for Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. Today we're focusing on Brazil's RDC 751/2022, a key Anvisa regulation effective since March 1, 2023. It modernizes medical device risk classification, aligning Brazil with EU MDR and International Medical Device Regulators Forum, or IMDRF standards, making it crucial for exporters. RDC 751/2022 classifies devices into 4 risk levels: Class 1, low, Class 2, medium, Class 3, high, and Class 4, maximum. It introduces 22 detailed classification rules in Annex I, replacing the previous 18. These cover non-invasive, invasive, and active devices, including specific rules for software, Rule 11, and nanomaterials, Rule 19. This framework mirrors the EU MDR's Annex 8 with some local adjustments. Like artificial tears being Class 3 in Brazil, the regulation outlines 2 pathways: notification for Class 1 and 2 devices, which is streamlined without pre-market technical dossier review unless Anvisa requests it post-market, and registration for Class 3 and 4 devices, requiring a full technical dossier review and Anvisa approval before market entry. For 2025 compliance, exporters should prioritize several actions. First, reevaluate your device classification using the 22 new rules. Any changes from RDC 185/2001 required updates by March 2024, so these should be complete. Second, ensure your technical documentation aligns with the IMDRF table of contents structure for all classes, although only Class 3 and 4 submissions undergo pre-market review. Dossiers can be in Portuguese, English, or Spanish, but labeling and instructions for use, or IFUs, must be in Brazilian Portuguese. Third, update all labeling to identify the notification or registry holder and comply with new IFU formatting. Fourth, carefully review Rules 11 for software as a medical device, often called SAMD, and Rule 19 for nanomaterials if applicable to your products. Fifth, remember that Class 3 and 4 registrations require renewal every 10 years, and post-market surveillance is mandatory for all classes. Sixth, proof of Brazilian good manufacturing practices, or B-GMP, is required, especially for higher-risk device registration. Finally, RDC 751/2022 allows e-labeling, referred to as Formato Não Impresso, but ensure compliance with Article 54 if using digital formats. Key takeaways for 2025. Ensure all devices are correctly classified and processed under RDC 751/2022. Update all labeling and documentation. Stay informed on Anvisa's guidance for SAMD, nanomaterials, and digital compliance. We strongly advise consulting local regulatory experts. RDC 751/2022 is pivotal for Brazilian medical device market access. If your company needs help with global market access, including Brazil's regulations, please check out Pure Global. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you next time.